If you ride motorcycles, there are only two guarantees. You're gonna have fun, you're gonna crash. Doesn't matter if you're riding a Razor or a Jeep or sometimes you're hiking, an emergency kit is very, very important. And I always carry one with me. And one of those things that you hope you never have to use, but it dries out and it feels like a waste of money to replace it. But every couple of years, what I do is I get one of these. Found this one on Amazon. I'm gonna put a link at the bottom of the video description. Now let's face it, nobody wants to spend money, right? But it's one of those things that you have to have with you because I've used it multiple times, or at least I used this one. Even if you look inside all the things that I have in here, they're already yellow and stuff. These are 5 or 6 years old and I highly doubt that the bandages even stick anymore. So why I got this one is because I know I'm gonna crash and I'm gonna need something as an emergency I'm not gonna have. One of the things I like about this, it's a very, very nice bag, very, very organized bag. So you can see you have basically everything needs to be put into one place. Some assembly required, and this is actually a good thing because when I had these boxes before, it comes with some stuff in it, but you never really know what you have. So you crash, you need something, you don't know what you have. So you're going to open up this thing and you're going to try to figure out, oh, do I have a pair of scissors? Do I have what I need? Where with this box, because everything comes in this little bag, you have to organize everything into the little thing. So you're going to have to personally touch every item from here. That way you will actually know, if you put this together, what kind of things you have. So when you crash, you will know exactly what stuff you have with you. Okay, so what's in the box and how far did I get? So almost everything was labeled, so I was able to put it in here. There's a couple of things that don't have labels in here. And why is this so nice? Because if you need wound dressing, here it is. If you need pressure bandages, here they are. If you need hypoallergenic tape, here it is. But these don't have really markings anywhere in the bag. This is first aid mask when you have to give mouth to mouth to somebody. Also, this is one of those things that you wrap a wound out so you don't bleed out, and it doesn't really have a space over here for. Safety pins and this plastic things, I really don't know what they are, and I was looking at the book, and the book has very, very simple instructions, and these are in British, but the booklet doesn't really say very much. Obviously, giving CPR and giving aid to somebody, you should know how to do that. Reading a book is not going to help very much. A couple of things that I've noticed that are missing in the kit if you buy it. Burn gel, so I don't see anything in the kit as far as burn gel. Also saline, washing wounds, irrigating eyes, so for anything for the eyes you might want to add that to the kit. Hope this helped you out, guys. If you find a better one, let me know. Write me a message at the bottom of the video. These go for about $30. I didn't want to spend too much money because it's one of those things that you don't know how much you're going to need it. And here it is, all in the bag, ready to go in my car. I hope I never have to use it. Thanks for watching.